Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open Amazon Appstore and Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now, Amazon has an embedded App Store. If you want to see the application as proof, I could show you. So, if I come over to settings here, and I come over to applications, and I go to App Store, you can see the settings for App Store. So it proves that it's an App Store. Additionally, if I go to manage installed applications, click on it, and then make sure all applications are showing in alphabetical order. You can see the Amazon App Store here. Click on it. You said you can force stop, you can clear data, you can clear cache. You can open the app from here. To access it, go back to home. I just click on the home button to come back to home. You see this find button here. Okay, that is the App Store. Under find, just come down to App Store. These are featured apps you can search. You can just click on search, you post up the keyboard and you search anything you're looking for. You can go to the app library here as well. All these are apps. These are apps. You have different categories. Installed on this TV. These are them showing. Not installed. It's going to look them up. If you come over to featured, you see that these are featured apps. A lot. There are UFC. What's this? WNBA, as women's NBA. VPNs, movies, games. Come on, like there's a lot. So remember the steps. If you're out there, just come over to find and then App Store. Under featured, you can see a lot of suggested things. Under games, you can see a lot as well. So that's how to access that App Store. I hope that was useful. Drop a like if it was. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.